Today, we're gonna paint a cute cactus together. Let's go! Let's start with her big eyes. Now, I take a light brown color to draw her pot. You see, it's very easy. Now, I take a green color and draw a semicircle, just like this. Now I'm drawing her thorns. I take a light green color to paint our cute cactus. Make sure you stay within the lines. Now I'm painting her pot with a light brown color. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, my friends. I take a black color to give her a smile. And a pink color to paint her cheeks. Now I'm drawing a cactus flower. Do you know if you add some white color to red color, you can create a pink color?
Wow!
That's it. I'm done drawing the cactus.
Wow!
Thank you. Now let's take a picture of it. Thank you for watching. See you soon, friends.